Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about removing the ransomware called 6y8dghklp. It's of course a set of random characters, but on the other hand, it's indeed a new ransomware that was found recently. This ransomware, by the way, is from the Phobos ransomware family. My video, though, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the device. So then users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware encrypts files and also appends this weird extension to the file names. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay the ransom. This is the ransom note, by the way. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on this Start Scan button and most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching and investigating your computer. Then at the end of the scan, you will see the full summary of all the threats. By the way, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware with this anti-ransomware feature, and it helps to protect your files. But it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been accomplished, and at the end of the scan you'll be able to remove these detected threats. You can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to protect your data.